all is well. Today not today, but a couple weeks ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, I received something from Harrods. I think that's what you call it. It's kind of a Nordstrom's based out in the UK. So if you like these types of videos where I unbox authentic equal twin items, I DIY, I compare bags, do review on bags plus more, like unbox authentic items like today, then please like and subscribe. And if you want to talk fashion style, then please DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. Let's get started. Still hurts. I hate it. But let us focus on what I purchased. It was like Cyber Monday, I think, or the week before Cyber Monday, and there was a sale. I was like, oh hell no, this is a self-portrait dress, and I don't own an authentic self-portrait dress. This is my first one. So let's see how beautiful it is. Oh! Here it is, folks. I had to show this because it's pretty nice and clean, isn't it? Like, I don't know about some others in the US, but when I receive stuff from the US, it's not this nice. Like every time I purchase something from Europe, it's like all packed beautifully. Anyway, it's all, whoa, receipts and whatnot, falling all over the place. Everything's falling. Who cares? I just want to see this dress. It is so beautiful. Look at this, folks. It's such a cute, it like goes like this. And I did purchase like US 4, which is, one moment, which is, I know I got a US 4. That's all I gotta say. So the sale price, $243 USD, and after the sale discount, it was $279. That's the total with tax and everything. Beautiful, authentic self-portrait dress. And this is the shoulders go on here, and it's just like a nice pink. Oh my God, it's made so well. And I am not sure if you can get a replica of this, but it is so gorgeous, folks. Yeah, US 4, UK 8. I should have just looked here. What's going on with my brain? I hurt my wrist, not my brain. Anyway, so it's UK 8, US 4, and it has like self-portrait all around there. And I'll take another view of this so you can see how beautiful this is. And it's like, it's kind of short, but I'm short, so it's probably gonna be perfect for me. Oh my God. It's been in that box for such a long time, so it's kind of wrinkled. And it's, I bet you it's, yeah, it's lined inside, of course. And it's kind of like cinches at the waist, which is great. Well, the high waist, and then it just comes out like a beautiful dress. Look at how sheer it is and how beautiful it is. I love how it has like a nice crimped pattern to it. Is that what it's called? And then it has like this beautiful shoulder. It's supposed to be on the shoulder type sleeve. This thing is so slow. And there it is. It zips in the back. There's a feature down here, which I'm gonna have to have my husband help me put this on because of my wrist. This is sheer, so I have a cast cover that hopefully will look beautiful. Look at this. This cast is ruining my style. I feel like I can't post on Instagram because it just looks weird, even when I put a cast cover. Any outfit I put on, unless it's like baggy, and I do have an outfit like a puff coat I want to post on freaking Instagram, but I'm waiting for something else to come. So it's an FYI. It is a good zipper. It's just, oh shit, it zips. It's just not smooth zip. When it hits this piece, it kind of like gets a little stuck. So let's just put her on. I'm not gonna drop her. Just go. Oh my god, look at this cast cover. Okay, I know the dress is really cute. Look at this cast cover I purchased. See? Now let's just put some shoes on. I am wearing my authentic Prada heels. I can't figure anything out, folks, because I want to put some stockings on, but with my hand, I'm just kind of struggling on that. So, and I think it'll look cute with this bag. Yes, my Chanel bag. Oh, these sleeves, people. These sleeves are so adorable. I have to admit, I should put my hair down. Let's do that. Yes. Oh my god. With the hair down or with it up, I think it's really adorable. I just hate this cast. But look. I'm so happy I purchased it. I was really scared about the size. Take the time to measure yourself. Look at the sizing. Size chart helps a lot. But this is so cute. I'd probably wear it with different shoes, but you know, right now, guys, I'm sorry. It's really hard for me to find things and rummage through my stuff without hurting my wrist. It's still kind of, ouch. I'm so rough. I am so rough and I am so clumsy. Anyway, everybody, I love this outfit. I'm a self-portrait fan. I love how these little shoulder things are. If you can see them. I love how the sleeves look. They're really comfortable. This is a really comfortable dress. You can't wear a bra with this dress. I mean, I suggest you don't. If you're bustier, I don't know if like higher sizes have more room to give, but there's no stretch to this dress at all. There's no stretch except these sleeves. And I am in love with this dress. With all this said and done, are we going out? Not in California, folks. It's really bad, so we're still going nowhere. Thanks everybody for watching. I didn't realize how many receipts they give you. Have a wonderful day and talk to you soon. Bye.